Today I have another Stitch Fix box that I'm really excited to open up with you guys because I'm not sure if I have a new stylist or not. When I checked out for my last fix, it did ask if I wanted to keep my same stylist, and I usually say yes, but this time I just said you choose. So I'm curious to see if I'm gonna have a new one or if they're gonna keep me with the same one because I did say for them to choose. And then also this was gonna have 8 items because I did choose the 8 item box again. And I just like a little bit more variety and still get that 25% off of just getting 5 of them if you like just 5. So let's see what is inside. So if you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, then it is a clothing subscription service where you have a personal stylist that will pick out items for you from 5 to 8 items. And then if you do keep 5 items or more, then you do get 25% off your entire fix. It's also a $20 personal styling fee, but if you do purchase anything from that fix, then it does go toward that and you're not out anything. But if you decide not to keep anything, then you are out that $20 styling fee. So here it is, and it's a little bit heavy today. So in the box, you're gonna get your package to send anything that you don't want back. So it is free shipping to you and it's free returns back. And then you get a paper that has your stylist, a note from your stylist, and then the total of everything, and it looks like I still have my same stylist. So even though I did say for them to pick, they decided to keep me with the same stylist. So I'm hoping that she'll do a little bit better than the previous ones that I've been getting because I seem to be getting repetitive items. So here is the bundle. I see some red, some navy, and some green and white. But you do get a preview where you can preview some of the items, and I actually think I declined every single one of them because they were so repetitive again. So I'm hoping for some new things in this one. So it looks like there's a jacket, Threads for Thought, Karina stretch twill jacket in white, size medium. So it does look like it's nice and lightweight. It's got these front pockets. Looks like it's a snap and a zip, and it does have a little hood on it, but it's nice and lightweight for, I guess, those cooler days. And then it looks like it has a snap right here, so you can make it a little bit shorter too. Whatever this is soft. Oh, it looks like it's a jumpsuit. So it's from Threads for Thought. It's the Elise Modal Terry jumpsuit in green, size medium. So this one doesn't have pockets. I do like for my jumpsuits to have pockets, but we'll see. And then it looks like it has ruching, but I'm hoping that you can take that ruching down. And then this looks like it is a vest. It is the Skies Are Blue Prudie brushed Modal vest in navy. Feels really soft. And then something red, and it feels like linen, which I've been asking for linen and cotton and lots of breathable summer fabrics. This is from Studio Blue, the Karen Super High Rise Wide Leg Trouser Short in red, size medium. So I like it's a pull-on style, pockets. I love this red color. And then this is a top. Looks like it's a high neck. I have stated I don't like high necks, anything touching my neck. This is from SEREIN. I don't know if I say that right or not. The Breigh tie detail sleeveless knit top in dark green, size medium. Looks like it's lined. I'm not sure about that one. And then here's another top from Beacon. It's the Mia Eyelet Blouse in black. And then it looks like another pair of shorts. These are in a pretty pink color. They are from STS Blue, the Lonnie Ultra High Rise Long Short in light pink, size 8. And then the last thing looks like some pants from Liverpool. Love Liverpool. High rise cargo crop straight leg pant, navy, size 8. So I love these too. So it looks like it's a really good one. I didn't get any mixed material tops, which I have stated several times, no mixed material tops. Oh, I know that's what it was. I had stated in my note that I would like to get some summer fabrics like linen, cotton, and just some breathable fabrics, shorts, and lightweight items. I also stated I didn't need any more navy tops because they have sent me navy tops in the last few, and I've kept a few of them, so I don't need any more navy tops. And then I specifically said no mixed material tops. And then I remember in the preview, I got navy tops and mixed material tops. So I was really upset about that because of the fact that I had stated specifically that's not what I wanted. So that's why I declined everything from my preview. But I'm really glad and surprised that I didn't get any mixed material in this one, because then after I declined everything on the preview for that note, I was like, please, again, no mixed material tops. So I don't see any mixed material tops in this one. And I got a little bit of linen, so I could feel those red shorts felt like linen. So let's see what they all look like on. So here's the first 2 items. I like to read the note from a stylist before I show this to you to see how they suggest to style some of these things, and I'll just show you how they suggest. So she suggested that I style this like sleeveless mock neck top with the cargo pants from Liverpool. So I can already tell this is gonna go back because I don't like anything at my neck, and this is really tight. It has this bow detail in the back, so I could loosen it up a little bit, but it's still right there at my neck, and you know, it doesn't come away from it. So other than that, this is an okay top. It has this little bit, a slight print to it, and it is fully lined. It has like that sheer detail, the pleating at the top, and then you saw the bow detail at the back. So definitely this top's going back just because of the issues with the neck. And then these Liverpool pants. I should have known I was gonna love these because I love Liverpool. They always fit so nice. The material is always so good. So this is made out of, I don't know, I'll have to look at the material content and I'll let you know. But it has this elastic in the back, which makes it really super comfortable. It does have a button hook and zip closure. You've got side pockets, and then you also have these cargo pockets as well. I'm not sure if these are supposed to be a crop style, but of course they're at that length that it looks like they hit me right at the ankle. But these are so good. I love the wide leg. They're so comfortable. I mean, Liverpool just fits so nicely. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this is fix number 71. And so the top is Breigh tie detail knit top, dark green, $46 for the top. Then the pants are from Liverpool. They're high rise cargo. I wouldn't call these high rise. They're below my belly button, so I would consider these mid rise. They are supposed to be crop. It says the high rise cargo crop straight leg in navy, size 8. These are $109. So it depends on if I get at least 5 items whether this is going to be beneficial or not. They are quite pricey, but they feel so nice. So obviously I would not wear this whole outfit together, but I wanted to go ahead and put this Modal vest on. I feel like my stylist was looking at my saved items because I did go through there with all the new arrivals and I saved quite a bit. And I know that these Liverpool pants were on my saved list, and so was this vest. Both pair of shorts were on my list, and that jacket was on my list. So 5 out of the 8 items were on my saved list, so she is taking a look at those, I guess. This feels so nice. I like this. I like the pockets. It's just a draped front, and I think this would look good with a button down if you wanted to really dress this look up, or you could wear it with just a regular long sleeve. You could wear this in summer with sleeveless like I have it, or you could wear this in fall with some longer layering pieces. I think this is really nice, and I love the way it feels. It's a Modal, but it feels like that scuba knit material, so it's kind of slinky, and it's lined on the inside, so it's really good quality. So this is from Skies Are Blue. It's the Prudie brushed Modal vest in navy, size medium, $68. So you guys know I love jumpsuits, and this one's really good. It feels nice. It's more of that sportier style. And so what I did on this leg is I cinched it up like it had the little ruching, and so I cinched this side up and this eyelet all the way down, and I like the length of it. I think it's a really good length even though it's all the way down, but I like the way this leg looks better than the one that's cinched. It does not have any pockets, and it's just a really casual pull-on style. It fits really nicely. There's lots of room. It's easy to get on. It does have a little button in the back, and even though it looked like it was going to be racer back, I feel like I can wear a regular bra with this one. So this is the Threads for Thought Elise Modal Terry jumpsuit, green, size medium. This is $89. It's a little bit pricey for a jumpsuit, but I'm going to throw that white jacket that was sent as well over this and see how it looks. So this is a nice lightweight jacket in this white. It's got some top pockets. And then this one is the long sleeve. And then I kind of rolled the sleeves up on this one and snapped it. And there is a hood on this one, and it's got a zip. And then you can button to hide the zip. So I do like this. It's more of a shorter style jacket. It hits me right at the hip bone. And I think I like this. I like the lightweightness of it. So this is one of those jackets that you can wear and keep in your car. It's white, so it's gonna go with everything. Okay, so this is Threads for Thought Karina stretch twill jacket in white, size medium. I do not like the price of this one. This one is $98. I feel like I could find a white jacket cheaper than this, and the feel of it is not that great. I mean, it has a nice stretch to it, but it's not that great to warrant $98 for this one. So next up is this beacon top, this eyelet blouse, and then this linen blend shorts. So I didn't realize these were pleated, and sometimes with pleats it can add to that midsection that I try to hide. It kind of emphasizes that mommy pouch that I still have. Love this red color, and the length of them is really good. They feel good too. So the top has this like little elastic balloon sleeve, and it has that Swiss dot material, and then you've got this little bit of eyelet that's right here. It's more of a U or a V neckline, and then I did take it in, but here is the length of it. So I do like the top. I think it's really nice. I think it fits good. The shorts are just a pull-on style. They do have the side pockets. There's no back pockets in these. There is a little bit of elastic in the back, and I love the length of these. I think they might be like a 5-inch, maybe even a 6-inch inseam, but I like this. I like the red color, and they feel good. They're a linen blend that feels really nice. So the top's from Beacon. It's the Mia Eyelet Blouse, black, size medium, $45 for the top. The shorts are Studio Blue, Karen Super High Rise. Again, I don't feel like these are a super high rise. They hit me right at the belly button. Red, size medium, $58 for the shorts. So what do you guys think? And here's the last item. It's these shorts. I love this color. It's like a bubblegum pink color, really pretty. These are a zip, just a regular, like they feel like a denim. So they're like a twill. They have a wide leg, which is comfortable. So I really do like the color of these and the wide leg. So these are STS Blue, ultra high rise, long shorts, light pink, size 8, $55. So all in all 8 items are $568. The 25% discount if you get 5 or more would take $142 off, making the total $426. So that would make the total for all 8 items $426. So overall, I liked everything except for that green top. I don't like anything that's really tight against my neck, and that was the Liverpool pants are amazing. They feel so good. And I don't like the price, but I know that Liverpool is actually worth the price. I love those red linen shorts, but I have to look back and see if it's making me have a little pouch. I love the color of these, and they fit really nicely. They have a lot of stretch. I think they're going to be really super comfortable. I like this eyelet top as well. As far as the jumpsuit goes, I really liked it. I just didn't like the price. And then I did think that white jacket was a really nice jacket that I think would be great for those cooler days, but I didn't like the price of it either. So I actually liked 7 of the 8 items, to be honest. But I just want to look back and see the fit of these 2 shorts to see what they actually look like and if I want to pay the price for those high-priced items. Because $89 for a jumpsuit, I've picked up some jumpsuits. I've got a couple of Grace Karen jumpsuits that I really love that I think were under $20. And then Old Navy, I've picked up some jumpsuits from Old Navy that are really good. Loft has a linen jumpsuit that I just picked up that's really nice as well. So I don't know if I like the price of this or not. So we'll have to see after I figure it all out. But I did like 7 of the 8 items. The only thing I didn't like was that green top. So I think this is a really good box. I have my same stylist. This is fix number 71. Let me know what you guys think. Would you keep anything from this box? And if so, what would you keep? But if you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button for me, you guys. That really does help me out. And then also, if you love this kind of content, if you like fashion, beauty, and lifestyle and travel, then definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.